Well, we joined the ICC because we believe that crimes of that magnitude should really be investigated and prosecuted by a much bigger tribunal than the local tribunals. Imagine the 4 crimes that the ICC can investigate: genocide, war crimes, war of aggression or crimes of aggression, and crimes against humanity. So, the magnitude of these offenses is so much that probably a local court will not be able to independently and efficiently handle.
Dahil nanindigan si Solicitor General Bernardo Guevara na ang Pilipinas ay hindi na miyembro ng ICC.
Upon the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., this process is part of a rigorous and ongoing evaluation of government performance, not only at the cabinet level, but across the entire judicial bureaucracy. The President has been clear from the beginning. We are not just looking at the top levels. We are going deeper into the agencies, into the systems, and into the quality of public service being delivered on the ground. The people expect results, and the President has no patience for underperformance. The first one, Solicitor General Bernardo I. Guevara. He is to be replaced by UP Law Dean Darlene Berberabe. Dean Berberabe will enter the service as the new Solicitor General. She took her oath this morning.
Kulo na mass resignation ni BBM, si Solgen Guevara pala ang target. Ngayon may bago na tayong Solicitor General, isang babae na dating namuno sa Pag-ibig Fund. Dating Pag-ibig Fund CEO sa ilalim ng Aquino Administration. Itinalagang bagong Solicitor General sa ilalim ng BBM Administration, si Attorney Darlene Marie Berberabe bilang bagong Solicitor General.